Why do 80% of truck owners struggle with towing? Because their trucks are squatting, swaying, and bouncing. Meet Airlift Airbags, your new best friend for towing. Whether you're hauling a trailer or carrying heavy cargo, Airlift transforms your ride. No more squat, trailer sway, or bouncy rides, just smooth, stable towing. With over 33 years of experience, ProTech Services offers the ultimate airlift solutions. We're talking professional installation, hassle-free rebates, and top-notch customer service. Plus, Airlift fits most trucks: Ford, Chevy, Dodge, Ram, GMC, and Nissan. Why go with Airlift? Because a level vehicle means improved ride comfort, enhanced towing stability, and better handling performance. Towing should be safe, comfortable, and enjoyable for you, your family, and your load. Now let's talk compressors for a second. This one is the most popular with our customers, the Wireless One Gen 2 Easy Mount System. Control your air springs on the go with a wireless remote or mobile app. Inflate or deflate with a touch-no airlines or power cables inside your truck cab. It's all fused and labeled for easy professional installation. Ready for the best towing experience? You can contact ProTech Services in Wilmington, North Carolina by phone or our website, and take advantage of the Airlift mail-in rebate up to $225 back. But remember, you must buy from an authorized dealer like ProTech Services, and they must also do the installation to qualify for the manufacturer's mail-in rebate. Any online purchases and DIY installations disqualifies you from the rebate. Call ProTech Services at 910-612-2296 or visit www.customcarparts910.com. Let ProTech Services get your truck towing like a pro.